All right, so we just did another install, and I want you guys to take a look at this. This is actually an Automower installation for actually a wounded veteran for United States military, former Marine. But I want you to see here that the neighbor on one side decided to go ahead and allow their plot of land to be mowed also with the Automower. So you'll see here we're just kind of going through a few settings here on how the mower will work and operate. And then if you look back here, you'll see another one of our compadres actually finishing up. So here you'll see a charging station. It's mounted right here. So you wonder if Automower will work. So even if you got a very small plot of land, as you can see, it works just fine. We're going to actually use the driveway right here to cross. So we got 3 control joints, and we're actually going to clean those up. And actually, the wires are in there, but we're actually going to seal it up really clean. The mower in this situation will actually cross over the sidewalk. They'll mow all this area here. There's a guide wire in the middle to split, and they'll mow over here as well. And the tree has been islanded off. And then it'll go over here, and we split it right down here as well. So the mower will come all the way down here as well and mow all this area. So here's the point. If you are a homeowner, home builder, property manager, Automower will work and give a whole new experience for your end user. So I want you to see kind of how it's actually going to open the gate up. He'll let it mow back here, and then he'll let it back out when he's ready to let it mow the rest of the yard. But we installed a 315X here. This is actually on a Lennar property, and I just kind of want you to see the finished product of what it's going to look like since we installed it. So there you go, guys. Another successful installation of the Automower. Another life impacted and changed. You think about those with disabilities, those with lots of noise pollution, and wanting a different experience around the home, unlike what you're hearing up around the corner up here. You'll see someone's using a traditional mower. You're creating a whole new environment for your communities. You got people who have children who are asleep throughout the day. Automower is a better solution. It's quiet, doesn't make any noise. It's all electric as well. So just make sure you guys see that. And hey, thanks guys for checking in another video. All right, talk to you later. Bye.